Hi guys, my name is James Howe, this is Chef at Home and welcome back to my masterclass. Today we're on lesson 2 and we're going to be covering the 5 classical cuts. Why do you need to know these? Well, it's very simple. These form the foundation of everything that we are going to be doing over the next 90 odd or so videos. It also gives you a chance to practice your knife skills. Hopefully you're here from lesson 1 where I've shown you how to sharpen your knife. Now we can get to use it, but we can use it safely and use it properly. So pause the video here, set up your chopping board, sharpen your knife and grab yourself 3 carrots. So the first little thing is to show you how to cut safely. So if you take your carrot, we're not going to worry about any technical terms at the moment, but face that towards you. I want you to put your hand into this sort of shape and tuck your knuckle behind. Place that on top of the carrot, knuckles down, thumb behind, and the tip of the knife on the board, and just bring it towards so it's hitting your middle finger. Don't forget rid of the carrot for a moment. If you just practice that rocking motion, you're never going to cut yourself by keeping yourself in that position. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, and you can do this to all the carrots, is just top and tail them, cut in half, and square them. It's just going to make this easier. Okay, so we're going to start off with classical cut number 1, which is a Julienne, or a matchstick. So a carrot, so take as thin as you can, slice off. Your carrots a little bit like this. Once they're all done, stack them up into 2s or 3s. So as fine as you can, and you'll end up with little matchsticks like this. Get that into a neat pile and turn it so it's horizontal to you. Now, knife back to the safety position. And that, a brunoise. The next one, the 3rd and 4th actually, are just bigger versions of your brunoise and your Julienne. So the larger version of your Julienne is called a jardiniere, and a larger version of your fine dice, of your brunoise, is called a macédoine. Very similar techniques, just bigger. So there's 4. We've got the brunoise, the Julienne, the jardiniere, the macédoine. Now the 5th and final one is called a paysanne, and that basically means it's a rough cut. So this is brilliant for soups, stews, anything you're about to blend. It doesn't actually matter what shape it ends up being. So there you go guys, these are your 5 classical vegetable cuts. Go grab some wonky carrots from Morrison's, have a practice. It's important that you stick with these early foundation parts of the course. They're going to make life so much easier later on. In the next couple of videos we're going to be looking at filleting, some basic meat preparation, and then we're going to move on to our first practice dish. But for now, hit subscribe and I'll see you Monday.